Hello you guys, it's your favorite nurse, Nurse T. Today I wanted to give a couple tips about MRSA. MRSA is short for methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus. MRSA is also known as staph. MRSA is a bacteria that is resistant to antibiotics. So what that means is this is a bacteria that cannot be cured or treated by most antibiotics. Now, there is a certain population of people who are at higher risk of contracting MRSA, and that will be people who are on prolonged antibiotic use, people who are in the hospital, nursing home, and people who have a weak immune system. But let me clarify, anyone can get MRSA, and as a matter of fact, the Center for Disease Control actually say 30 to 40% of healthy Americans actually have MRSA, except that it's dormant. That means that the bacteria is asleep. It's not active right now. But I do want to share with you guys that if you know someone who has MRSA, you don't have to stigmatize them. There is a couple things that you can do to prevent contracting MRSA. The number one way is through hygiene, hand hygiene, showering daily, bathing daily. Right now, one of the common places for MRSA infections are skin infections. So you have a skin cut, a skin abrasion is not properly cared for, MRSA can attack there, or just through direct skin-to-skin contact with someone who has MRSA, and then you have an open area on your skin. But again, the number one way to prevent MRSA is through hand hygiene and daily showering, daily bathing. I also want to make sure that I clarify with you guys, if your loved one is in the hospital and they have MRSA, you do not have to stigmatize them. You do not have to be scared to visit them. It's just hygiene. You wash your hands before you go in. You wash your hands before you come out. You shower when you get home. However, if you are feeling already sick, then I would not recommend that you go and visit someone who is infected with MRSA, because then it will place you at a higher risk of contracting this antibiotic resistant bacteria. But again, anybody and everybody can get this staph or MRSA. And I want to reiterate, the best way to prevent MRSA or staph infection is through hand hygiene, or not just hand hygiene, but hygiene in general. Okay, this is your girl Nurse T, your number one go-to nurse, and I hope that this video on MRSA has shed some light and clarification. Okay, thank you.